All right, we're back on the smoke. We're getting ready to modify the temperature controller. Right now I'm in what we call low speed. We're just pulling out. Those are individual chuffs. They would be long and high, and in between there'll be sounds of the chuff, shoo, shoo. Really pushing, pulling hard, getting started with the heavy load, leaving the station or leaving the yard. And steam engines work. They have to work to get up to some speed. And as they do that, they're blowing off the steam, they're blowing out the smoke, they're trying to keep the boiler hot. And so all this stuff is going on. As we get out a little further, we can start to speed this up. Boom, chuff, 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 chuff. You get it. You get the pitch. Okay. And a little faster. That's as fast as we've got it. I think it needs to go faster. This is 250 milliseconds, a quarter second. I'm thinking they're going to have to come faster than that. When you're going 80 or 90, they're just like a machine gun. So I'm going to have to talk to my guy in the boiler room and see if we can't get that cranked down a little bit. A little sooner, faster, more right. The other thing we're going to be able to do is set the pulse. If you want to have one chuff per rev or 2 or 4, we'll be able to have a selection, so you could actually be doing, right now you'd be doing 4 chuffs a second, which this would be 1, and there'd be 4 others in between. So the chuffs start to get hotter and faster. I think that's what we're going to find. Maybe that's where we're waiting for it. I have to talk to him, but in any case. So we start to coming in. We're going to slow down, pull back on the chuffs. Slowing down. Now we're just barely crawling in the final, get to the station. And then we're done. Yep. And we've got the heat down to 5 volts. We're running around 115 C at high speed and 118 C at low speed. So we'll see the temperature start to climb here a little bit. But we took everything apart and checked everything. You see the tape. I've gotten most of the leaks figured out. This will be a real PC board without any holes in it. So the real thing, this is all still prototyping. The design is pretty much now, we're happy with everything. I mean, the plume, I think, is just about perfect. It comes out, it's healthy, it's smoky, and we don't, pardon me, run out of smoke. We don't run out of oil. We don't run out of fan. I think we're doing everything in an optimal way. We've had this capability for over 5 years, maybe 7 or 8. But the last 6 months is the first time I've just dug in and said, we're going to make it as good as we can, not just work. We're going to make it as good as we can. And the challenge I had was the Mike's Train House PS3 on my wife's Hudson, New York Central. And it is just so awesome. And we are just almost there right now. Almost there. Feels really great. All right, I'll let you go. It's 5 minutes, but I'm waiting on a new load of software to test, and that should be here any minute. I want to get ready and be ready. So there it is. We're puffing, and we've been doing this for quite a bit of while. I've only put in about 10, 12 drops of oil. So the oil is, 1, it's lasting, and 2, it's wicking up. And I tested that. I took it apart and I pinched the angel hair, and I looked at my fingers, and the fingers were oily. So I knew it's coming up It's being pulled up for the dry heat, and it's replenishing. This is exactly what we're supposed to do here, just like the flyer did. Okay, gang, that's it for now. I'll give you some more next time. Should be cool.